Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss the significance of setting deployed credentials. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain the concept of setting deployed credentials in detail. While logging into the Windows Azure portal with the required credentials like Microsoft account, it allows us to add, modify, and remove required resources from Azure subscription successfully on the Azure platform. Azure websites and mobile service require a different deployment credential in order to publish the same service on Azure platform. There are two different deployment credentials that need to be defined in order to publish a website on the Azure platform. They are user-level credentials, site-level credentials. User-level credentials are chosen by users in order to deploy the website on the Azure portal. These credentials are directly related to a particular Microsoft account and they are not related to any particular web app. User-level credentials are never shared among different users on the Azure platform. It is also known as deployment credentials. Now let's understand the concept of user-level credentials with the help of an example. Let's look into an example of creating FTP credentials using user-level credentials. Step 1. Log in to the Azure portal. Step 2. Next, open the blade for selecting the web app. Step 3. Click Settings and then next select the application settings. Step 4. Next, click on Select the deployment credentials. Step 5. Enter the username and password. Next, click Save button. Step 6. FTP username is displayed. Under Essentials, username is listed in the web app blade. Site-level credentials are automatically generated for each site on the Azure platform. In order to use them, download the Publish profile, which can be used for the Dashboard tab of a site. It is also known as Publish profile credentials. Now, let's understand the concept of resetting site-level credentials. Step 1. Log into the Azure portal. Step 2. Create a new website. First, select New, Website, Quick Create. Step 3. Next, enter the URL and select the region. Step 4. Once website is created, you can see a Set GIT Publishing, which set up the GIT repository and add the URL. Step 5. Now, you can reset the deployment credentials. Select the Reset Publish Profile credentials. Step 6. After selecting the Reset Publish Profile credentials, it will give a warning message. Step 7. Select the above option for invalidating the previous downloaded publish profiles in website. Step 8. Select Yes button for displaying the updated publish profile credentials. By clicking the above option, it changes the hash of password used for deployment. Once the hash of the password changes, if the user tries to change the file in deployment, it will mismatch the password. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. Azure websites require a different deployment credential in order to publish the same services on Azure platform. There are two different deployment credentials: user-level credentials, site-level credentials. User-level credentials are chosen by users in order to deploy the website on the Azure portal. It is also known as deployment credentials. Site-level credentials are automatically generated for each site on the Azure platform. It is also known as Publish profile credentials. Thank you for watching this video.